I just got a case from CORECOLOUR, so I'm gonna open it up. So CORECOLOUR sent me this case. They have so many cute designs. I just went with clear because I like to add like Polaroids and stuff in my phone case to kind of like make it personalized and I can swap it out whenever. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's shock-proof, drop-proof, and has anti-yellowing technology. I don't know about you guys, but my phone cases are always turning yellow. So this is the case I currently had on. It used to be black, but it's literally yellow, So I need to print out more Polaroids, but I grabbed a few I have on hand, and I'm gonna put them in the case. I don't know how, maybe something like that, but I'm gonna try the case on. This is what it looks like on. I'm gonna add stuff to it, so let's do that. This is what I put in for now, but I need to print out more Polaroids.